All right, so a quick review of your homework. This sheet gives you definitions. This one breaks down expressions into numeric expressions, just numbers, and algebraic expressions, which include numbers, operations, and variables, like you have been doing already. You've been creating expressions. This is what you've been doing tons of already. With your patterns, you've been making your own algebraic expressions. The bottom of the sheet gets into creating expressions for real life situations. So, this is a review of how to write multiplication, because this is a new way of writing it for you. 3 times a number, and you write it 3t, so there's a quick practice. This is an example of different variables being used. For here, our first word problem, our first real life situation that uses algebra. So it costs $5 per hour. So per hour is multiplication, $5 for every single hour. The hours is your variable, because this changes. You could rent for 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, that changes. And that word per, you might want to add to your vocabulary sheet for multiplication, so that you know that per always means multiply. For this question, if you were doing it on line sheet of paper, you would always say let. That didn't come out very well. You would say let H represent the quantity you want. Let H represent the number of hours, or let T represent the number of hours, or let X. As long as you say let, then it's clear what it will represent. And here it's 5 times H, because it's $5 times the number of hours, or 5H. Complete these, they're the same. A lot of questions we will come across have a flat fee. So a flat fee, it's a fixed charge. It doesn't depend on how long you rent. A flat fee would be your constant. For example, a company charges a flat fee of $7 to rent a boat. Then it's $3 each hour that the boat is used. And this comes up very often when we do algebraic expressions. It also comes up when we book a hall for grad, let's say. A lot of grad banquet halls, when you want to book them, it costs $2,000 as a flat fee, and then it's maybe $20 per student after that. And you could create an algebraic expression for that. For this, a company charges $7 flat fee, so that's your constant. That never changes, it's always there. $3 for each hour. For each, there's your multiplication. So the way that I would look at this, it's $7, so there's my plus 7, and then 3 times H. So my expression for this could be $3 for every hour plus $7. Down at the bottom, here's some practice. What they are doing right here is their let statement. So they're saying let H represent the hours. Per hour, it's $4. So I would look at that and say it's 4H. That's your multiplication. Flat fee of $5, and there's your plus 5. Put them all together, and then you get that. Why don't you guys try the next ones on your own? The back of this sheet involves some more substitution, some flat fee examples, and some more evaluating of expressions. You might come across some where there's decimals or fractions. Fractions we haven't done yet, but try your best. Decimals you would substitute like normal, and you can use your calculator for these.